Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Motorola phone of any model of Motorola phone if you're using, and if your Motorola phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. Then if you had applied the hard reset and the factory data reset with your Moto phones, then after hard reset and factory data reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display. So let's check either your smartphone has been completely unlocked or not. So go through all the process, tap on this start option. Here you have to tap on this skip. Now from here you have to accept and continue. So here you can see after the factory data and hard resets, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock. What you had applied, you will get on your screen. But here you can see you will get another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. Simply you have to tap on this one. So here you can see when you will tap on this use my Google account instead, you will switch to this page where your Gmail ID and password is asking here. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password what you had applied when your phone was new with your phone, then you can feed that Gmail ID here and go through the next process. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you are not getting any skip option on this page. It means you cannot bypass this page to go to the next process. This lock is known as FRP lock, which is generated by Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is stolen. You can see here now you're not getting a skip option in this page. One more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be enough charge to go through all the process. This method is completely dedicated for FRP bypass of your Moto phone. So make sure charge your phone at least 30%, or if your phone is not charged at least 30%, then make sure connect your phone to the charger when you're using this method to bypass your FRP lock of your Moto phone. Okay, so let's start this method. So first of all, you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now from here, firstly you will have to change the language option here from English India to English US. Then after you have to tap on this start option. Now when you will tap on this start option, go to the back and you have to tap on this emergency call. Here you will have to tap a USSD and tap on this call option. Okay, so USSD what I am going to give you, that is star triple two star 101 star double nine and hash. You have to tap this USSD and simply you have to make sure you have to tap on this call option and you have to tap on this OK, and simply you have to go to the previous page and come to this starting page again. Now after that tap on this start option. Now from here you have to tap on this skip here. Now here in this page you have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here accept and continue. So here you can see it's still now it's locked, so don't worry at all. Here in this previous page you have to make some changes. You have to tap on this privacy policy and here you have to scroll down. You have to tap on this URL. Sometime it's don't work, so don't worry, you will have to try 2 or 3 times. Okay, don't worry, you have to use this one. So you will switch to this page and you have to tap on this one. Now from here okay, now you have to go to the support option and you have to tap on this troubleshoots. Cross this one, change the products. Okay. on this India. Now go to again this setting. Go to shop. Supports Motorola. Now tap on this one. Go to this URL. Cross this one. Correct warranty, launch chat, repair status. You have to come to the support, driver and software. Okay, now have to go to supports. Okay. From here you have to select tablets and Moto tablets, submit. Now go to back, again back, now repair status. Okay, now from here it's again showing here US, then okay. Now simply you have to tap on this. Tap on this, done. Okay, now after that go to the back option, come to the starting page. Now tap on this start. From here skip from here. Again come to the starting page, tap on this one. Now here you have to tap on this one. Now double sure you have to turn off this one and done. Now go to the back. Now let's check either your FRP has been bypassed or not. So simply you have to tap on this start option, go to the escape. Now tap on this more, accept and continue. So here you can see you are getting here now skip option. It means your FRP lock has been removed. Now you can easily tap on this one to bypass this FRP lock page. Here you have to tap on this skip from here. Now from here accept, okay. Now it's a simple setup of your Moto phone you can easily do after your FRP has been bypassed. So from here tap on this not now, sorry. Now go to the next, skip from this page and finish. Now after that, you can easily tap anywhere on your phone to come to the home screen. You can see here your phone has been completely unlocked and FRP bypassed. You can see here there is no any screen lock on your smartphone. So if your Moto phone is also FRP bypassed with this method, then do the like this video. Thank you so much.